Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start affiliate marketing with GoDaddy step by step clearly. To start affiliate marketing with GoDaddy, begin by signing up for the GoDaddy affiliate program. Visit the GoDaddy affiliate page and click on the Join Now button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, check your email for a confirmation message. After you confirm your email, log in to your new GoDaddy affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Take note of the tools and resources provided. Next, browse through the offerings to choose products or services that resonate with your audience. Generate your unique affiliate links for the chosen products. Share these affiliate links through your website, blog, or social media platforms. Create valuable content that highlights the benefits of the products you're promoting. Utilize engaging images, videos, and testimonials to strengthen your content. Track your performance using the analytics tools provided in your affiliate dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on which products perform best. When you start generating sales, ensure you understand the payment process. Finally, continue evolving your marketing strategies based on audience feedback and trends. Stay consistent and patient as affiliate marketing can take time to yield results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.